Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time for TinkerHUNT 24, so let's get cracking. Friends, a Tinker Hunt is a scavenger hunt where I give you 5 items you can find. You'll be able to find a link to this Tinker Hunt in the description. You can also visit my website, and on the TinkerCad page, you can slide down and find all of the Tinker Hunts, including TinkerHUNT 24, which is live today. Friends, when you click on the link either in the description or here, it shows you the Tinker Hunt, and if you click on this image, it shows you the 5 items you're trying to find. A jack-o'-lantern, a rocket, Blanky with the Get Crackin' shirt, the HLModTech Celebrating Kid, and the Unicorn Dude. They're all super tiny and they're hidden all throughout the project. Your challenge is to add a solution in the YouTube video comments, or you could also use the messaging comments, or if you're in my Google Classroom, you can also reply to me there as well. Searching is pretty simple. You can click on any item and do Control-H to hide. You can also click on items and press the letter F to zoom in, and then look around with your mouse by right-click dragging, or using the view cube, zoom in, zoom out as you try and track down all the items. Once again, when you're in here, you can do Control-H to hide them. You can hit this button to bring them all back. You can click home to zoom out. So this project is fun because you're trying to find the 5 items. It's also cool because you'll learn how to move throughout the project. I have got notes that explain it. I have also got a note right here where I will put the champions each week. Last week, the only correct solution was from TT, who is one of my students. Nobody replied on YouTube, friends. I'm looking forward to seeing more YouTube responses. I don't mind if it's just one answer and we all work together to try and find it, or if you happen to find all 5 and make a correct solution on your own. Friends, I do want to show you one more thing. I'm going to press F to fit view. Another cool key you can use is T for transparent, so you can look inside different items. Once again, if you hit T again, it cancels that out. And lastly, we can hit home to back out. Friends, good luck solving TinkerHUNT 24, and I'm looking forward to seeing solutions either here on YouTube or on my website, or if you're one of my students, in Google Classroom. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you've got a question, comment, or solution, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.